Hello and welcome to this video on Sales Enablement Platform. A skilled and trained sales team is needed for implementing a sales strategy on the ground, whether you are FMCG, bank, manufacturing organization, service organization, retail chain, or any type of product or service provider. For revenue growth, you will need a great storytelling and customer engagement. I have got two sales teams with me. Team A, having their shoulders down as they are not able to close much deals. Whereas, Team B, up and cheerful, as they have been able to close the deals frequently. Do you know the reason? Well, because Team B is equipped with a sales enablement platform called Autumn Sales Plus. In this video, we will learn how Autumn Sales Plus helps in closing more sales and improving revenue. Let's begin with understanding how sales enablement happens with Autumn Sales Plus. It is a strategic, collaborative process designed to increase predictable sales results by providing consistent, scalable enablement services that allow customer-facing professionals and their managers to add value in every customer interaction. It is a video-based sales enablement platform which includes sales training, role-play-based skilling, and step-by-step performance support. It can help you improve the ability to sell consistently and predictably across large geographies. Employee development is an ongoing process and long-term strategy. And so, the various stages should be continuous and happen in a self-renewing cycle. Sales enablement is the iterative process of providing your business's sales team with the resources they need to close more deals. These resources may include content, tools, knowledge, and information to effectively sell your product or service to customers. This process starts with onboarding of the sales team, training them to be ready to face customers, providing them opportunity of practicing with a coach, and finally provide support when you perform the job. During onboarding, get your team's concepts and fundamentals right with an automated recommendation engine. Give them all the foundational knowledge about the product, the process, the customer, and the sales knowledge. Provide a smart course creation engine with Netflix-like content recommendation capability. Not only that, Autumn Sales Plus also makes your raw content interactive so that the learning process becomes super efficient. During training, give real-life sales scenarios to practice on. Expose actual situations using intelligent scenario-based role-play simulations. Sales executives can record their responses to the sales scenarios. Repeat and rehearse sales scenarios till the time they become your second nature. Provide remote support to frontline sales teams in the moment of their need. These are the moments which are critical for a sales closure, and these are those points of time where timely help from an expert can translate into actual sale. The question is how to make the interaction play out properly when there are so many frontline staff and only a few experts. Don't worry. The platform kicks in with the scalable virtual support platform called S-Coach. We set up your sales kit with the help of a smart platform, AI-based performance support, video-based simulations, and SOPs for your sales force. All we need from you is a few weeks' time and your existing brochures, product/service guides, and the existing training material. And then you will be able to feel the joy Team B is feeling right now. Thank you.